Okay, so today I'm going to talk about insurance policy and some insurance company on USA. So simply, first of all, we have to go Microsoft Edge browser or any other browser, whatever you want. So firstly, we have to learn what is insurance. Then we have to learn what is insurance policy. Simply, you can search over insurance or what is insurance, but it's better to go first google.com because uh, Microsoft MCN search engine is less better than Google search engine. Okay, so for best results we always search anything on a Google search engine. Okay, now we search what is insurance. What is insurance? So here is some dictionary word, but we have to find out some beneficiary website. Insurance definition. Okay, we can open it in new tab. What is insurance? We can open it in another new tab. I think here is a complete idea you have get. See, what is insurance? This definition says insurance is a contract. So insurance is a simple contract. We know what is contract. Okay, so insurance is a contract represented by a policy. So insurance is a kind of contract where some rules are implemented. Okay, in which an individual or entity receives financial protection or uh, re, re, reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. Okay, we can read it again. In which an individual or entity, in which an individual or entity, that's mean a user, in which so we can say that in which a user receives financial protection. So in insurance, a user receives a financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. So in insurance, a user gets some financial protection or some losses recovered from a from another insurance company. Okay, so the company post clauses to make payments more affordable for the insured. So insurance company pays affordable money to the user, depends on his or her needs. Okay, so insurance policies are used to hedges against the risk of financial losses, both big and small, that may result from damage to the insured or her property, or from liability for damage or injury causes to third party. So this is the insurance policy.